Hi all, today we are going to see hashing. Hashing. What is hashing? It is a process of transforming data of any size into a fixed size output called a hash value. The hash value is typically a string of characters. It is unique to the input data. Hashing is used to ensure the integrity of data. Even a small change in the input data will result in a completely different hash value. Let me explain you with one example. The input data block can be any type of data such as string, text, file or a password. The hashing algorithm block takes the input data and applies a mathematical function to it which produces a fixed size hash value as output. The hash value is usually represented as a string of characters or a hexadecimal number. Always remember, same input data always produces the same hash value. No matter how many times you apply the hashing algorithm to the input data, you will always get the same hash value. This property is very important characteristics of hashing algorithm. Also remember, hashing algorithm is a one-way function. What does it mean? If you give input, we can get the output, that is the hash value. But if you give the hash value, you cannot get the input. Always don't forget the importance of hash collision. Hash collision occurs when two different input data blocks produce the same hash value. For example, when you are giving input hello into the hashing algorithm, it produces the hash value 1BWER2CBDG4597 as in my example. If you give again the input good into the hashing algorithm, if it produces same hash value, then that is called collision. This is rare. They can still occur, and it is important to use a hashing algorithm that minimize the likelihood of collision. In real world, hashing algorithms are used in password storage, digital signature, message authentication code, and so on. Let's see how this password storage works. When a user creates a new password, the password is not stored in the database as plain text. Instead, the password is passed through a hashing algorithm which generates a fixed size hash value. The hash value is then stored in the database. The original password is discarded. So, you all remember the same password always produces the same hash value. When a user enters their password to log in again, the password is passed through the same hashing algorithm again, and the resulting hash value is compared to the hash value stored in the database. If the hash value match, the user is granted access. If they don't match, access is denied. This way, the actual password is never stored, and even if an attacker gains access to the database, they won't be able to retrieve the original password. While hashing algorithms provide a secure way to store password, some algorithms are weaker than others and can be easily cracked by attackers using brute force or dictionary attack. Therefore, it is important to use a strong hashing algorithm such as SHA-256 or bcrypt that is designed to resist these type of attacks. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Bye.